I've had some people say it didn't really hurt at all. And I've heard a lot of people tell me, oh, that wasn't bad. I thought it was going to hurt real bad. And I've never heard anybody say it's going to hurt, that it did hurt worse than they thought it was going to hurt.
Yeah.
Are you ready to go?
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay.
We're good.
All right. Now, this works kind of like a staple remover that you would use on paper. Did that hurt?
No, that was not too bad at all.
Okay.
Yeah, he said just a little bit of a little sting, like a little ant sting, and that's about it.
And sometimes they're a little bit more tender than others, so you might.
Yeah, I would imagine when we get down there to the redder stuff, it's
The
starting to
lower
hurt a little
abdomen.
bit more.
The lower abdomen is always more tender anyway, so.
So yeah, oh yeah,
There we
that's
go.
starting to hurt more like a wasp sting now
Ouch.
instead of a little ant sting. That one didn't hurt at all.
Okay.
So when does the risk of leakage or hernia drop exponentially?
Well, I would say, after 2 weeks, if you don't have an anastomotic, or if you're going to have an anastomotic leak, you're going to know it within the first week or so, typically while you're in the hospital. But
Right.
certainly at this point now, a few weeks out from surgery, so the risk of a leak from your anastomosis is minimally
Pretty
small.
low.
It's pretty negligible. Can't say it's zero, I guess, but it's
Right.
pretty close to it. Risk of a wound infection, again, 3 to 5 days after surgery is usually when it starts to manifest. Within a couple of weeks, if you haven't had evidence of one, you're probably not going to get one. But I have had a few patients come back, after a month, 6 weeks, with kind of a delayed wound infection. Not really sure why that happens in those situations. It is rare. So I'd say you're not out of the woods yet, but you're very close.
Okay, and then what about hernia?
But that's something that we don't really know about for quite some time. Usually it's going to be months, 6 months, a year. So you did real well.
They all gone?
They're all gone.
Yay!
So what do you think? Not as bad as you thought it was going to be?
Well, not as bad as she told me it was going to be.
No, okay.